What's up, ATC gang, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So this vlog is all about basically how my family prepared for our new child's arrival. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button and spend the next 24 to 48 hours with us. Let's get it. Okay, so we just finished recording the what's in my hospital bag, the what's in my hospital bag video. I'm going to throw my jacket on, and then Kaden and I are going to go to find a nail salon because I want to get my toes done and possibly my nails. I know I don't need my nails done. Like, I'm about to have a baby. Like, why do you need your nails done? But I for sure want to get my toes done because they've seen better days. And I won't be able to, like go out for about 6 weeks. So I'm going to just pamper myself and have that out the way. And then also we're going to go to the store and let Kaden pick out a toy. So I will see you all when we either get in the car or once we find a nail salon. Kaden, are you excited to go get a big brother toy?
Yeah.
You excited to be a big brother?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Yeah.
Why only kind of?
It's only kind of because, it's going to be fun to have a sibling and like them. But at the same time, you're never going to have fights.
Y'all not going to fight for a long time. He's little. So we are in the car and on the way. I looked up a nail salon. But I kind of wanted to look up, like, I don't know what's the proper Google term, but I wanted to look up, like, I don't even know if I should say this, like a urban nail salon, because I want to get designs. And I feel like I've been having issues finding, somebody that can do cute designs for me. I know I'm going to have to get my mommy nails, to get them done short. But I think I still want some designs. So hopefully we found a good place and we won't be here all night. It's like 4 p.m. I probably should have got up and went to the nail salon earlier, but I was so tired. I didn't sleep at all last night. Like, really slept during the day, maybe like 4 hours. So
in 600 feet, turn right onto West 36th Street.
I have to get up and get this stuff done. So, I'll see y'all when we get to the nail salon.
No.
Come on.
No.
Matching toes. Matching toes.
Turn.
Oh, thank God there's nobody in here. That means I don't have to wait.
Shake that ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
It is about 10 p.m. We just got home and I still have to do the laundry for the stuff that I'm going to pack in my hospital bag. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that stuff in the machine and then probably try to take a quick shower and take a nap because it'll be time to go to the hospital in like 8 hours.
You can take us out. Your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me?
I'm gonna just go ahead and wash everything in Dreft because some of the stuff is his outfits and some of it is mine, so I'll just wash it in the Dreft.
Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
You're supposed to be in your doctor attire, Byron.
This is my doctor.
Doctors don't wear skull caps. Baby Daniel, look at your dad in here out of uniform. Don't put that. You gotta put that over your skull cap. Go ahead. Oh my God. That's ridiculous.
Head down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound.